Hello everyone. Today, I will show you perhaps the best application for removing the background from a picture. As you can see, with just 2 clicks, you can remove the background from your image. For this, you'll need the PhotoRoom app, which you can download for free from the Google Play Store. Now, let's move on to a specific example. Open PhotoRoom. PhotoRoom specializes in removing backgrounds from images. The first option you see is Remove Background. Click on it. A pop-up menu will appear for selecting your desired image. I already have an image from which I'll remove the background. You choose your desired picture and click on it. This application will automatically remove the background from the image. Once the removal process is complete, you can choose a white background by clicking here. You can also opt for a black background or no background at all, meaning a transparent background. And as you can see, there's no background in the image. You can export it by clicking the Export button. Save it in your photo gallery as a PNG format. By clicking Done, we've completed this process. If this video was helpful, share it and give it a like. Follow the channel for more similar tutorials.